Hello and welcome back to Login Helps. Financial Peace University is an integrated program which involves live classes, small group discussions, video teaching, and a book. Logging into Financial Peace University is easy. Go to your web browser and type in www.financialpeace.com. You'll soon end up in its official homepage. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Sign In button. In the Sign In page, enter your email address and after that, enter your password. In case you don't remember the password, simply click on the Forgot Your Password link over here and follow the instructions to reset your password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create an Account now. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged in to your account. If you think this tutorial helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions or feedbacks, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching, see you again soon.